Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Lanett local and long-distance movers near me. A cheap Lanett moving company will give you the right choice for your local or long-distance move. With 3Movers, you get an affordable price and the most professional movers available. We know how to take the stress out of your move, whether you're moving a home, business, or dorm room. We can make it easier. When it's time to handle a long-distance move, we offer the following options. Packing services. Our packers will take this tedious task off your list, and we can even do the unpacking. Moving supplies. If you plan to pack on your own, we supply you with the right materials for your packing. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the agreed-upon time to ensure your move isn't delayed at all. Upfront pricing. Choosing to get a moving estimate from us will give you a transparent price you can use for your budget. Licensed and insured. Your things are fully protected when you choose to move with us. A long-distance move will take you 100 miles away from your current location or further. This means you probably have more to deal with than just moving your things. Letting us take over for you on the moving process means you can concentrate on other important things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lanett moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.